Felix. He just finished day to day. And his last because he's been missing for 5 hours. And he started like 5 hours ago, so we have no idea where he is. Once again, folks, watch your head and watch your step. Please use the handbook. Now I got another question for you folks. Are you ready? Alright, let's do the 3 magic words. Well, here, wave goodbye to the dog. And now, the people on the dog. Hello, everyone. Welcome aboard the world famous Jogger Cruise. My name is Jackson. I'm going to be your skipper. Unless you're going to danger, then the new one's going to take over. Skipper Gale. We're taking close to main to the fleet. Keep your hands on feet and legs inside the boat. And parents, goodbye to children. We are now passing by into the Amazon rainforest. Our brain switch is off. No, we missed it. Dawn, if you're looking for someone to play, it's Gale. Now everyone, here on the right-hand side is the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Well, famous archaeologist Dr. Indiana Jones who's looking for the world's greatest treasure. You know this temple is also known as here, the Temple of the 3-Hour Line. And now everyone, we are now have entered into an ancient Cambodian shrine, destroyed many centuries ago by earthquake. Uh-oh, be careful the left though. That's a tiger. Now they've been known to jump over 20 feet high. Don't worry folks, we're only 50 feet away. He'll just jump right over us, because he's a Detroit tiger. And now everyone, get out those cameras and phones. We have now just entered into the secret sacred painting pool of the one and only Indian elephants. Wow, I guess the entire herd is out today, everyone. That's unheard of. Take all the things you like, everybody. Don't worry, everyone all the trunks on. Now, folks, this is what happens here when you stay in the shower too long. Because what happened to Brother, you're gonna drop it out. Almost happened to me once. Nah, I'm just kidding. I don't shower. But for Gale though, we're gonna give a free shower today from Squirt. Here we go, free shower for Gale. Nah, I'm kidding about that. I would never do that to you. Uh-oh, Squirt, I'm just kidding about it. Oh, no. Everyone, jump. Goose. And now wait, folks, that was some dry humor. Whoa. I guess we have some danger up ahead of us, folks. Let's get closer. Uh-oh. Is that Dr. Sam? Oh no, what happened here? Oh my gosh, what did the mic on? They left the lights on. Guys, what did I tell you about monkeying around? That's not hitching over a vehicle. Look, I hope Gale has people aid, because I'm not paying for that. She is. As we leave in accuracy, folks, we are now approaching up ahead to the world famous Schweitzer Falls. And the founder of the Jungle Navigation Company, Dr. Albert Hall. Don't worry, folks, we'll go over later. Now, folks, we have now entered into the Nile River, the longest river in the world. This river is 4,000 miles long. Now, if you don't believe me, folks, you must be in Africa. Speaking of the left-hand side and the right-hand side, what we have here are 2 African bull elephants. Now, how do you know these are African bull elephants, folks? No, because we're in Africa, just mention it right now. Stay cool, folks. We're going to end up driving a boat like this. We're also end up like this guy. And now, everyone, we have now entered into the African belt. Along the trip, spots here along the trip. We got giraffes, gazelles, canoes, gazebras, vultures, and Goliaths. Wow, folks, look at those lions over there in the cave enjoying that gazebra on the rocks. And look at vultures went with their show as well. And that's the law of the jungle, folks. Never, ever be a gazebra. Unless you're that guy. Folks, this is what happens here when you get into a argument rhino. Because no matter what, these animals always get the point across. Unfortunately, with Felix there, he learned it the hard way. Not good his first day today. And last. Anywho, folks, we are now just about to enter into a more bedpost. Now, do not worry, folks. You'll be dangerous in the winter years. No one employee problems. Wait, what are you looking at? Oh, no! No way, winter years. This is not good. We're going to try smoke. Come here, everybody. told me it's so easy, even a monkey can do it. I won't believe it until I see it though, folks. Wait, what are you looking at? Those are eggs. Now, I know the difference between an egg was, I don't want to look at the difference right now because it's a long scale. Oh no, I guess these were able to open the insect supply somehow. Huh, I wonder where the fleas went. And now everyone, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. It is the amazing, the colossal, new bandit, the eighth wonder of the world. It is the Gaston of Water! And now folks, look at the right hand side here. We have the most marvelous front side of rock. Huh, I'm surprised you didn't take it for granted though. That's one of the Boulder attractions. My sentiments exactly. And now everyone, we have now ventured into the Amazon River. Now this is a great place to fish here, by the way folks. The fish in the spot are always biting. Ooh, I think they're coming folks. Let's get out your fishing rods and bait. I want you to fish what we're getting today. I guess school's not in session yet. In the meantime, we caught some of your plants here in the jungle. There you have it.
Thank you.
I guess school got out early. Let's move on, everyone. And now, folks, as we leave the Amazon River, look on the left-hand side. That's a boa. Oh, now the fish come. Anyway, that's a boa on the left sitting in the tree. Hissing. And now, folks, here we have the Jungle Cruise gift shop. Now, what's the Jungle Cruise about the Jungle Cruise souvenir? You might be thinking to yourself, why did they say lost and found here? Let me tell you, folks. Stuff that was lost here by adventurers before you. Found on amazing deals at lost prices. Now, folks, people say they created this monkey right here through the pictures here for us. Well, that's ridiculous, though. Each of them for the exposure. I must say, this is serious monkey business. And now, the most dangerous part about Trip. The return to civilization. We are now approaching the dock. So please, once at the exit, remain seated. Please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, away from the sides. Don't want to scratch up the dock. That'd be a lot of peer pressure. Congratulations, everyone. You have survived the world famous Jungle Cruise! Give us a round of applause, everyone. I'm glad it's over too, folks.